29.
Many different sports events take place in the Olympics, and each appeals to a different audience. For example, while track events appeal to some viewers, archery appeals to others. If both events are taking place simultaneously, then it is the job of gatekeepers to decide which event to televise. Gatekeepers estimate whether the demand for track events is greater than the demand for archery. If the demand to see both is equal, then gatekeepers consider broadcasting both events by continually switching between the two. However, if possible, gatekeepers try to avoid this option as it costs twice as much as covering just one event. As a result, the majority of Olympics television coverage is of single events at a time. Events such as table tennis are given a lot of coverage because they last for hours, and television companies only have to pay a lump sum to cover them. Shorter events such as pole vaulting are avoided by smaller TV channels because they are relatively more expensive to cover. Another way that gatekeepers make their decisions is according to nationality bias. For example, Chinese channels tend to give Chinese gymnasts considerable coverage. English-speaking channels tend to give a lot of coverage to athletes from the USA and Great Britain. All networks cover famous athletes in order to increase the audience. For example, in the 2000 Olympics, Hong Kong channels gave extensive coverage to the local 1996 gold medalist windsurfer Li Sansan. However, when it became evident that she was not going to win another medal, windsurfing coverage decreased considerably. In the end, gatekeepers have to try to decide who the events will appeal to and how many people will watch them. This sometimes results in 2 or 3 channels covering the same event in the hope of attracting viewers.